Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Surekha and you are watching English in Little Room. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, first go and subscribe it. Guys, in this video I'm going to tell you what I have learned today. You must have watched Ramayana, and have you ever seen Lord Ram regretting about his past? He had to go to the Vanvas, and after that Mata Sita ka haran ho gaya. Mata Sita has been abducted, and but Mata Sita never thought she shouldn't have crossed the Lakshman Rekha. But when something happens to us, we keep thinking about the past, right? Why did this happen to us? I shouldn't have done this. Why I did this, right? All these questions come to our mind, right? I have learned that we shouldn't regret, we shouldn't think about the past. We cannot change it, right? So then what's the point of thinking of it? We should just focus on the present. Our present is important, not past, right? So thanks for watching. Like, if you like it, then